My favorite TV show of all time is Mythbusters. One of the things Mythbusters teaches you is to celebrate your failures. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to talk about something I built that I don't think is going to work. So this is a 55-gallon drum, obviously cut in half, with a 20-gallon drum on the inside of it, wrapped in about 130 feet of half-inch drip tubing. Now the theory was that I lined it on the inside with Mylar, and I was going to make a great big parabolic reflector to try to superheat water. I don't think it's going to work because the inside barrel is too big. It's not small enough to really get enough light reflecting. So good theory. It was a lot of work. It was a lot of work to cut that and to wind that hose more than you would think. So, you know, good try, but I'm working on something better and easier and cheaper. So thanks.